SVI is leading electronic manufacturing services company established in 1985 in Thailand, which has grown to become one of the best-known EMS companies in Asia, Europe, and North America. Our corporate headquarters are located just a 45-minute drive north of Bangkok and offers innovation and automation throughout its world-class facilities, offering traditional and advanced EMS technologies, servicing multiple market segments. Our diverse management team brings decades of experience in manufacturing and customer service, bring multicultural leadership and expertise to drive operational excellence, employee engagement, and ensure superior customer service. As a subsidiary of SVI, Tohoku Solutions provides vertical capabilities that strengthen our one-stop shop offering. With in-house tool design, die and mold manufacturing, precision metal stamping, and high-complexity plastic injection molding, we deliver components with exceptional accuracy and reliability. Tohoku also integrates seamlessly into SVI's core EMS services, PCBA, box build, and system assembly, ensuring customers benefit from both advanced mechanical capabilities and complete electronics manufacturing solutions. In Phnom Penh, our Cambodia facility spans over 30,000 square meters of advanced production space. Our Cambodia facility provides highly cost-competitive solutions with the scalability to support rapid growth. Combining a skilled technical workforce with SVI's global standards, Cambodia is the ideal hub for high-volume manufacturing, delivering efficiency, flexibility, and reliable quality customers can trust. Along with the SVI sales office in Copenhagen, SVI Austria serves as the European technology leader for the SVI Group to support our global customers in Europe. SVI Austria specializes in full system build of high-complexity automotive and medical products with lean production systems and advanced engineering proficiency. Serving leading OEM customers throughout Europe, SVI Slovakia offers traditional EMS, box build and cable capability within production space 15,000 square meters. Our Slovakian operation offers a competitive cost structure combined with efficient logistics solutions for delivery by truck within a day throughout the region. In Washington State, SVI USA strengthens our global network, connecting North America to Southeast Asia. This facility enhances local responsiveness while leveraging SVI's global supply chain, engineering expertise, and proven quality systems. SVI Global Supply Chain Management Team is strategically located in Thailand, China, Europe, and the US to leverage SVI's total global purchasing power to secure the best possible pricing, flexibility, quality, delivery, and services for the entire SVI organization. Building on this foundation, we empower smarter, more sustainable operations and innovative solutions for our customers. At SVI, innovation, sustainability, and people are at the heart of our transformation. From smart factories and Lean Six Sigma to our Green Industry Level 4 certification, we continuously improve to drive innovation responsibly. And behind every success is our greatest strength, our people, committed, passionate, and future-ready. With 40 years of electronics manufacturing expertise, SVI looks to the future with confidence. Global reach, advanced technology, sustainable growth. SVI is your total electronics manufacturing solution partner from design concept to new product introduction through to mass production and aftermarket services.